Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix Android apps closing by themselves. Here are the steps to fix Android apps closing by themselves. First, restart your phone. This refreshes the system and fixes temporary glitches. Force stop the crashing app. Go to Settings, Apps, go to All Apps, select the app, then tap Force Stop. Clear the app's cache. On the app, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Clear the app's data if needed. Go to App Name, Storage, and Cache. Tap Clear Data. This resets the app, so you may need to log in again. Update the app. Open Google Play Store, search for the app, then tap Update. Update Android system. Go to Settings, Software Update, or check for updates. Install any available updates. Free up storage space. Apps crash when storage is too full. Delete large files or unused apps. Check your internet connection. Many apps crash with slow or unstable Wi-Fi or data. Disable battery optimization for the app. Go to Settings, then search for battery optimization, then go to All Apps, select the app, choose Don't Optimize, and confirm. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the app by going to the Google Play Store and install it again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.